line item subset. Why means we have such a importance to that topic. So that is the reason each and every most of the interviews they will ask these conditions, whatever the conditions we have. If I want to use line item subset, three scenarios will use. What are the three scenarios? One is for currency conversion, and the second one is like variance analysis, and third one is the growth projections. So growth projections, we can prepare this one, we can use this line item subset, and these are the three scenarios. And what are the conditions to use line item subset from source to target means we have three conditions. So like one, source should, we can do the line item subset we can use only for the number formatted line items. Why means if you want to do currency conversions, so can you do currency conversion from in text format, can we do, or from rupees to dollars? If I want to convert dollars to rupees, do we need that format in numbers? Can we do any numbers only? We should have, then only we can change whatever the thing from numbers to number. We can by multiplying, if you have $100, that will be 80 rupees or 90 rupees as per today's market value. So if you have in text if you have the data in text format, we can't do that one. So that is the reason source should be number formatted line item, and when you are pulling the data from source to target, source should be child and target should be parent, we can say. So then only we can pull the data from source to target. Why means, so if you are pulling the data automatically when aggregations happen, already we have seen when we are pulling the data from child to parent, it is, we can easily pull, but without using any sum or lookup. But whenever we are pulling from parent to child, is it possible? Without sum or lookup, it is not possible.
No.
So we need to use sum or lookup. So that is the reason. The thing is, whenever pulling the data from source to target, source should be child and parent should be target should be parent. Otherwise, it is, even though it is exact not parent, if you have some, it should have source. If you have G3 country, for example, target should be at least above that hierarchy. Above that hierarchy means at least G2 country. If it is not G2 country, at least it should be even G1 region also fine. Why means these G3 and G1, we have the G1 is the parent for the G2 country. So G3 details, G3 list, it consists G2 country details and G1 region as well it consists. Even though if target consists G1 region also, nothing will happen. We can pull from the G3 to G1 region as well. Why means already we have seen in our module, whenever if I use dimension G3, it consists G2 details and G1 details also it consists. Is it correct or not? Yes. So it consists all the details. How means we have seen so many times this one. Like if we open any model, duplicate, so if we see any module with the child, we can see here we have the child details. We can see here G3 location, we have dimension here. If I open this module, for example, if I open this one, you can see if I am using the lowest child details like G3 location details, even I have G2 country details as well. G3 location details will add into G2 country details, Even I have G1 region level details also I can see here. Is it correct or not? So child will rolls up into its parent level. So if I am pulling data from G3 locations to G2 country, parent it is fine. Even though it is G1 region also, you can see this will America detail will goes to their America. Yeah, that's without facing anything. We can pull the data from source to target in line item subset. So these are the conditions we should follow. So child to parent is filed, and child to whatever the hierarchy level it's above, target should be above that whatever the source we are using, above the source dimension, it should be hierarchy of the source dimension above that level. But if you have G4, even if you have G4 country, G4 location, or we can say segment, for example from G3 locations to G4 segment, if we have, we can't send. Why? G3 is the parent for the G4 segment. If I have G4 segment list here, so whatever the what we are considering, if I want to pull G2 country to G3 location, is it possible? I don't want to show another example. If I want to source is a G2 country, target is a G3 location, is it possible?
No.
Not possible. Why? Means it is a child. It is a child. So parent
Then
details,
we need the function.
we can't distribute the child without sum or lookup. We need to use in that scenario lookup. So without sum and lookup, we need to use this line item subset. That is the reason we should not pull. So these are the few conditions we have. Other than that one, so we can see. So we can see here our create line item subset activity we have here. So in financial model analysis model, create new line item subset. So we need to, this is related to financial model only, it is not related to supply chain model. So that is the reason I am explaining this conclusion first, and then we have two activities here. So ALM and this line item subset. Then we'll start our sprint 1 activities tomorrow onwards. So we can see here, I need to create line item subset here. How we will create the line item subset first of all? So I can see here, yes. So we should click on our model. So this is our line item subset icon, you can see. So this is a line item subset icon.
Yeah.
So here we need to click on insert. We should give the line item subset name. LIS reporting 03 line item subset here. We can create this line item subset. And after creating line item subset, we need to include the modules. So what exactly it does the line item subset means, we can pull the line items from the different modular. From one module I have 20 line items, but for currency conversion I want only 5 line items. So in that scenario, what can we do? From that 5 line items only we can pull the 4 line items. Out of 20 line items, I can pull the 5 line items which are required for the currency conversion. So in that way we can choose the source modules, you can see. So include the reporting. First of all, we need to select the source module for the this line item subset. From which module I want to line items. Reporting 03 module I need to include. So simply what should I do? Here I need to click here modules. Then I need to click on my source module. Reporting 03 module. Here we have only one module we are taking. If you want to take another module also, we can take. But our conditions should be satisfied. So all the source module should be consist the same dimensions, and we have like source and target, we have relation. What is our relation? Source should be child, target should be parent. from where to where we want to pull the data. So these are the things we need to consider. So then only we can prepare here. So then we can see reporting 03 profit and loss module I have included. Then revenue, cost of sales. Give me a minute. Yes, I got.
Is anyone getting access voice?
Yes, yes, I am
No,
not
no, I think he's
speaking.
not speaking. Srinivas
I'm
speaking.
not
Okay.
speaking.
I am not speaking. Am I audible to you? First of all, I want to check.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes, Ashish.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
Okay.
Now it's clear.
Okay. So actually my power is get disconnected. I am connecting with my mobile. So power get disconnect here because of this rain. So anyway, I will continue. I have disconnected with my mobile. So we can see here we need to we have included this module first of all. Fine. And after including this module, what should we do? So first of all, after including this module, yes, we have included that module. Then we need to open here. Then we need to open this module, and whatever the line items out of this 15 or 20 line items, whatever the line items I want, I can take here. So which we need to do the currency conversion. Revenue I need, cost of sales I need. You can see revenue we can select here. Cost of sales we can select.
Margin,
Margin, employee expenses,
other cost and profit. Margin,
margin, employee
employee
expenses we
expenses,
can see.
other cost
Other cost we have, and I
and
think
profit.
profit. So these are the 6 line items we want out of this 15 or 17 line items. So by selecting these line items, what happened? Whenever if I use this line item subset, I can see only these 6 line items. I can't see this total 15 line items here. So what happened? We can see I have included these 6 line items whichever I need. So then what is the next procedure? So we have selected few line items. Then we have the another activities. We can see create country currency list. So we need to create country currency list. So the file contains, we need to contains the data aligned to countries to their local currency. So in financial planning analysis model, create new list. We need to create the country currency list here. So country currency list we need to create here. Populate the list using the country. So first of all, in general list we need to create the country currency list. So in general list we need to create country currency list. We should create. So after creating this country currency list, where are our other guys here? Only few members are there. I can see our Faiz, Arshad Ahmed, and Sudhir. Are you there, guys? Faiz Ahmed
Yes,
is
Ashish
there.
bhai.
Yes, yes,
Sudhir,
yes.
Sudhir, Suresh is there. Sudhir is not there. Why he is not attending? I'm not getting. What happened, Ayan? Didn't you call Sudhir? So anyway, once call to Sudhir and Arshad. This is a very important topic, LM topic. This line item subset. He will struck while giving interview and he is not attend. What is the problem? I'm not getting. So here we can see. Once check with Sudhir and Arshad Ahmed. Files. Here we have created country currency list here. Then we should open this one. So here what they are asking to do. So we need to import this file into country currency list. Local currency list, we need to import this one. So simply we can click on import, upload new file. So we can see here same procedure we should follow. So here local currency, and we don't have any parent here. What is, are they suggesting anything to keep as parent? We need to check here. So here list name country currency, populate the list using the country local currency, use the symbol as a code for the currency. So use the symbol as the code. Symbol we should add the code. We should use as the code for currency. So here we need to use the symbol here. So here we can select name or code and click on run import. So you can see here we got successfully this list, and then we can see here so what are the different currencies we have. So we can see here, so these are the different currencies we have here, and after importing this one, so we should go for the next activity. We have another activity here, assign countries to assign currencies to countries. We need to assign the currencies to each and every country. So these are the local currencies. Each and every countries, what is the currency we have, that we have downloaded just now, imported in financial planning. So we need to add each and every country. We need to assign the what is the local currency. So for that one, what should we do? We need to include one line item in system 03 country module. In system 03 country module, we need to include one line item here. In system 03 module, here we should include one line item. Local currency, we should insert here one line item. Then what is the format of this line item? It should be
Currency.
list and currency, local currency. List we should take, and local currency whatever just now we have created, country currency. This is the format. So after taking this one, we need to import the data once again. So list country currency, assign currency to each country. So you can assign currencies manually or import them from the country local currency.csv file. So we can import the data whatever the country just whatever we have downloaded here. So download the country local currency, we can see here this with this file we can upload. So simply import data, upload new file. So you can see here for G2 country US, Canada, Mexico. US, Canada, Mexico. Column US, Canada, Mexico, where we have column 2 we have. And other than this one, we have code, region, country only line items we have. Code, region, whatever we have, line item, column header we can select. We can check this one is everything is get mapped or not. We can see here we want only here local currency line item we want to import. Other than that one, already we have formulas for other 3 line items. Nothing we should do. Simply we should click on here, run import. So invalid line item identifier. So updated 13, but still we have invalid line item identifier. Why we have got this one? Can
Time.
I? Yes,
Time.
everything is perfect. The thing is where we have done mistake means I will show. Whenever if you are importing, what should we do? Unnecessary things whatever we have, we should ignore it. Okay, so if we have this one, I will show this one once again. What is the mistake we have done? So you got data, everything is perfect. The thing is whenever if you do this one, so what should we do? This is the unnecessary line item you have. Then you
One
should
blank cell is there. Yeah. Mm.
ignore unmapped. We should click on select here, ignore this unmapped. Otherwise what happens, it makes us problem. Means yeah, this data will get import, but again it shows the these are the it not imported, we got fail. So in this way it will show. That is the reason whatever the unmapped things are there, we should ignore it. If I run, what happened? I will get success. Now everything we will get in green color. Yes, you can see everything is perfect. So in this way we can get, we need to ignore like unmapped things, unmapped line items. We can see here each and everything we got here. For each and every country, what is local currency? For US, United State, like United States dollars, we can say. You can say this one. And Canada, for Canada, Canadian dollars. So Mexico, you can say Mexican peso. So for Brazil, Brazilian real. So you can see this one. Each and every country we can see here. So all this, each and every country, what is the local currency? We have given that local currency name here. Local currency in which we can say in which currency they measure their monies. So we can see everything is we have done here. This step is completed. Then after completing this one, we have here create currency rates module. So what is currency rate module means? For India, for each and every country, generally the details will get in dollars. For example, we have dollars, data in dollars. If I want to convert from Indian rupees, for with which number we should multiply generally? Whatever the 80 or
Exchange
$90 rate we have, we should multiply.
Effects rate.
Yes,
foreign
so
exchange.
that details we have here. Currency rates nothing but it with which number we should multiply. So that number will provide here for each and every country. So we can see here FX currency rates module we are creating here. And what are the dimensions I should take here? Currency, country currency list and time. Nothing is there. Rates. Only we need rates here. So country currency list we should take each and every country. Country currency list we should take time rates. That's it. So if you have like this, what should we do generally? So we have only rates. So in this scenario, we should bring here, we should bring this one. Then what happened? So rates anyway you don't have multiple things. So that each and everything you can watch very clearly if you want whatever the thing we want.
Format number.
Format is a number only, not a problem. So you can see already they have done same thing. So we need to import the data. Same data we need to import here. This file we should click on this file, and we need to import data into this file. currency rates file we have, we need to map properly here. So what is the header here? Header start from the second row, not first here. That is the thing
Second, yeah.
we should select. And here admin only. Other than that one, we should map each and everything properly by watching the data. For a time, what should we do? We should give column headers without thinking. We have so many columns. Country currency, United States dollars and everything. Where I have in which we do we have more options? Or we have only
One.
one. That's it. FX1 currency rate line item. Where do we have that one? In fixed one. We don't have special one. That one. So
Number
we should
one, yeah.
fixed line item, and we should select here, and each and every tab we need to select. We need to select this one, and current country currency. So country currency, one thing is not mapping here. That is the United dollars. Why it is not mapping? We have S here. We don't have S here. Only dollar we have, dollars we have. That is the problem. Now it is everything is mapping. So we can see time. In time, so what is the format do we have here? Like
YY.
year and month. YY
Year
and
and month.
year and month. We can select this one period, year and month. So this one is also fine, year and month. We have two. Yes, this one is fine. So we can run import. Yes, everything is completed properly. So we got here currency rates. We can see if you have data in dollars. If I want to get again dollars, with which number we should multiply? Already data in dollars, and there is no need to multiply with any other number. If you multiply with one, automatically you will get the dollars. So generally we have the dollars data, whatever we have calculated so far. For Canadian, so we can see here. For India, you can see Indian rupee, we have 69.82. So in this way, these numbers we need to multiply with the each and every dollars rate, so that we'll get the local currency. So that is the thing here. So we have completed this module. So this is the final module where we are going to build this one. So create reporting 05 local currency module. This is our final module, reporting 05 local currency module. So this we need to create here. So reporting 05 So what are the dimensions I should take here?
G2 country list.
So we should take G2 country list, line item subset we should take, time and versions. G2 country list, time already there, versions we should take, and country currency list.
Time.
country currency list we should not take, line item subset we should take. Country currency list we don't have here. We should take this line item subset. So what are the line items we should create here? Reporting in USD. Reporting in USD nothing but dollars data. Whatever we have calculated, that data we want. US dollars data. So that is fine. Whatever we have, that one. So, and other one we need local currency. From dollars to different rupees, Indian rupees or something, different countries local currency we want. So these are the two line items we are creating here. So if we create these two line items, what happens? We can see here. So here if we want to understand clearly which format we should keep here, we can check here. We should want we should keep here time should be keep in columns, and line item should be columns, and time should be in pages, and in rows we should keep line item subset. According to their suggestions, we should keep here time should be in pages, and line item should be in we can say here, and line item should be in columns. We can see. So in this way we can keep here, and after why these changes are automatically will get disturbed means Sudhir is asked some doubt. After doing each and every change, we need to do the save this one. Then only it will get remain. Otherwise it goes to normal position. He will not attend generally. So whenever I explain important thing, again he will ask the doubt. So in this way we should do this one. So here, what is the next step we can see? So I need to write the formulas here for these two line items. So what is the formula we can see? So summary method should be sum, and use collect function to bring in values. So convert values into local currency by the identifying the country's currency and the multiplying with the US dollars. So first of all we need to bring this reporting USD. How I will get the US dollars data? How I will get the US dollars data means, so if I
Use color function.
click here, so US dollars, already US dollars data nothing but we have calculated. So what is, by using the collect function we will get data simply without writing anything. By if I write collect function, what happened, I will get data here. How I am getting this data means, already this data whatever we have done, revenue, cost of sales, from where we are writing these line items, from reporting 03 module. Whatever we earlier we have taken from here, reporting 03 module, you can see whatever the earlier we have taken these values. So these values only we are getting there. So from reporting 03 to we are getting, what is the value we are getting? So forecast data, if I select US, our what is our value here? So you can see US January 2019 forecast 278,562 is my revenue. So same value from here 278,562. From this reporting 02 mod 3 module, I am pulling by creating the line item subset, whatever the value I have, revenue, this whatever the line item, 6 line items I have selected. By using collect function, I am pulling from this reporting 03 to reporting 05 module. I am not doing anything, just bringing from the this module to reporting 03 to reporting 05 by using the collect function. Is it clear what we are doing here? What it does collect function exactly? It brings.
So where we wrote that formula, sorry to interrupt you. The collect formula we wrote it right in the formula bar, in the first line.
First line only. How we will write formula? Same procedure. Reporting In first line only I am writing formula, that's it. In this is a line item. We generally where we write the formula line items. Is it correct?
Correct. Correct.
Line item
Yes.
only. In reporting in dollars, I need dollars. That is the reason I am selecting this reporting in US dollars line item, and I am writing the function so that I am getting the data in dollars.
Yeah.
Is it clear now how we are getting?
Yep. Yes.
Then
Asif, one question. Now we have put in this collect formula, right? So this brings only the forecast value, right?
whatever the data we have in this module, that data
Okay,
will
only
bring here.
that. Okay.
Not for, what you, if you select January, you will get January data. If you select whatever the
Oh.
month, whole data it will bring.
Whichever month.
Yes.
Okay.
It is from the list item subset, whatever we created.
Yes.
Whole
These 6 line items, whatever we have created in line item subset, that details will bring here in
That
dollars.
is why the rule is saying same dimensions from source and target. The same dimensions are same, it's picking up everything.
Yes. So next step, what is local currency? I have dollars. Then I need data in the local currency. Then what should I do? I need to multiply with the dollars with the local currency. Is it correct or not? If I have dollars data, I need to convert into Indian rupees.
Yeah,
Then what
correct.
should I do? This data I should multiply with the
Multiply.
69 point something. Is it correct or not?
Yes, correct.
Yes. So for that one, where we have currency rates, we have here currency rates. Is it correct? Currency rates in this module we have. Is it correct or not? FX
Yep.
currency rates we have here. So for example, if I want to pull data, I need to multiply this data with this currency rates. So simply what should I do? Simply if I have this reporting dollars should be multiply with the currency rates module rates.
Module to column.
I should multiply with the rates. If I do this one, I will get the data. Is it correct or not? Yes,
Yes.
I will get. But if I should check these dimensions and these dimensions are same or not. I need to think that one. It works whenever the dimensions are same, then only it will work. If the dimensions are not same, why it works? So it will not work directly. Why? We need to check the dimensions. This formula is correct only, but we need to check the dimensions. Should we use sum or lookup? Which one we should use? So what is the, you can see this is my target local currency, this is my source. So then what should I do? Do we have any relationship between this country currency and G2 country and these dimensions?
No, there is no relation.
So direct relation we don't have. So then we should use sum or lookup. So in
System
that
00.
we should use sum or lookup. If I open, already we have one. If direct relation we don't have, then we need to check the mapping. Mapping is nothing but where we have this country dimension. This is the country dimension I have here. So in this country dimension we have line item of country currency. We can see this one. In this country dimension module, I have the list formatted line item local currency. Is it correct or not? We have relationship between the country and local currency in the system 03 module. So then in this scenario I can use this relationship. I will use, you can see country dimension I have, local currency list formatted line item I have. So by using this mapping I will pull the data. Now you can see how it happens. In reporting 05 module, if I try to write formula, same formula I will write this one into multiply, I will multiply, and FX rates. FX rate I will multiply, but the thing is I should use the lookup here. I need to use the lookup, and I need to set that relationship, whatever we have seen just now. I need set
System
this
00.
relationship,
Dot.
source to target.
ఇప్పుడు జాయిన్ అయ్యా అయిపోయినట్టుంది అయితే నేను ఫస్ట్ జాయిన్ అయ్యా 10 నిమిషాలు కరెంట్ పోయింది
జాయిన్ అయిపోవాలి ఇప్పుడు అందరూ జాయిన్ అయిపోవాలి.
సరే వెయిట్ చేద్దాం అయితే
Yes, send message as a rejoin
ఓకే
everyone. Sudhir, when did you join, Sudhir?
యాక్చువల్లీ ఐ జాయిన్డ్ వెన్ క్లాసెస్ స్టార్టెడ్ ఆఫ్టర్ 10 minutes పవర్ లాస్ట్ డ్యూ టు రెయిన్ హియర్
Okay, I asked it 2-3 times to you.
యాక్చువల్లీ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ దేర్ ఓన్లీ స్టార్టింగ్ 10 minutes ఐఎమ్ దేర్ సో ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ పవర్ లాస్ట్ డ్యూ టు రెయిన్ హియర్
Okay, at our place also it is heavy rain, but in power also did cut, and again we are continuing this class. So we can see here. So send message as a rejoin here. We can see here what is the
Central.
what we are doing. We are setting some relationship. Directly we can't pull data from the FX rates to reporting 05. That is the reason if I want that rates, I need to set up some relationship. Where do we have this country and local currency relationship? Means in system 03 I have that relationship. So country dimension I have used, and local currency line item, list formatted line item we should use. So list formatted line item I have used. So by using this one, if I apply, what happens? Simply it takes that formula. Now you can see here. So whatever the value we have, same we have. Why means we have selected here dollars. So we should multiply with the one, means you can get the only same value you will get. If I change any other country, so Canada will be, it will get multiplied with the some 3 number or something, Canadian dollars. You can see what is Canadian dollars here. For Canadian it will multiply with the 1.33. So that is the reason you can see you will get increased value by 1.3 times. So if you select the Indian rupees, what happened? It will take almost 70 rupees. It will multiply dollar. You can see here dollar will multiply with the 70 times. You can see. So very big value we will get here. So in this way local currencies will get multiply with the, like dollars will get multiply with some numbers, currency rates numbers, and so that we'll get the local currency. So they are giving some instructions here. So they want to check whether we got proper answer or not. We should check New Zealand country, we should check actual version January 2019. This page selector we should select, so that we can confirm our answer with the screenshot of learning center. Actuals. Yes, you can see here 136 360 we should get here, and 207 268. We should compare your answer with the screenshot of learning center. Is it perfect whatever we have done? 136 360 207 268. Yes. So this is the perfect. So whatever we have done, everything is perfect. So in this way we should think how we'll get the data and everything. And line item subset, other than this we can, this is the one scenario we can, by using this currency conversion we have done here. So other than this one, cash flow projection, variance analysis reports, and growth projections, we use this currency like line item subset. And other advantages we can count as by what we are doing. If I want this revenue, this cost of sales line, if I create once again these line items, what happened? If I want here this revenue 0 reporting 05, it will increase the space. So it because of that one, even it increase the space size of the model. And even if I run this calculation once again, button of the model also it will get increase. So because of this one, so it is totally, there is no use. By using this line item subset, even we are reducing our model size, and we are reducing our burden of the Anaplan by the, we are not running same calculation multiple times. Once we are creating the line item, we are using so many times here by using line item subset. Once I am creating the calculation, and that same calculation I am referring somewhere by using this line item subset, so that we are not doing the same task multiple times, not creating same thing we are referring, so that it will benefit for us. Is it clear?
Yes.
So this way, these are the different advantages we have. So
Ashik sir, this mainly this line item subset is using for currency conversion.
yes, currency conversion scenario will use.
I have a question, Asiji. Normally, currency rates, the FX rates will change from day to day. So, in that case, what would be the source of automatically updating the FX rates? Do we need to download or import every day?
They no no once whenever they calculate at that time they will consider. So they will not get bother about the fluctuation and everything. Any fixed value
No,
they
no.
will give, and with that one we should
Correct,
multiply.
correct. But a specific day, specific rate will be there. So again, the date also they will give the specific day and rate like that.
Everything they will provide. We should not think about much that one. On the base of that one we'll do whatever the end user will provide according to that their value will do it currency rate.
Okay.
Yes. So these are the different advantages we have. Do you have any doubt here? If you have any doubt, you can ask here. So regarding line item subset. Yes, Suroni, are you asking something? Do you have
Yeah,
any
hi Ashik. I have a doubt relating to revision tax.
related to?
Revision tax.
Okay,
In real time, we have created n number of revision tags.
okay.
In this scenario, we want to push all the revision tags into deployment mode. Deployment.
No, we
In
only
this
will.
case, we have to
No,
select.
Surohini, only you can select only one revision tag. Only you can select and you can pull latest revision tag data.
It means okay. This okay. Latest revision tag. Okay.
Yes,
Thank you,
that's
Ashik.
it. Okay, thank you. So I am expecting updates from everyone. Samyuddin and Feroz, Srinivas, how is your practice is going on? Ayan, how is your practice is going on? I am not getting updates. What is the status?
Uh, Ashik sir, I completed up to 15%.
Okay. Then you should start this ALM scenarios and everything.
Yeah, I'll start tomorrow. LM and LIS also.
Okay. So daily I need updates from everyone. In group
Okay.
itself you can send, share so that others will also share the updates. They will remember these things. So and one more request I
Ashik,
have
I
that
have
yes.
I have one question. Now,